Here at Unistage, our innovative flat staging systems can be designed in a manner of ways to best suit your needs. From large square flat stages to catwalk style stages, our flat staging is perfect for any location, production or event. Unlike other staging products, here at Unistage we design our flat staging to be completely modular, making it super easy to customize into whatever type of stage you like. This makes our flat staging systems ideal for places like schools, universities, drama clubs, and more. Additionally, our flat staging has been designed to be extremely easy to construct and to pack away, saving much more space than traditional staging systems. The flat staging we offer can also be designed with additional guard railing for extra safety, and just like the rest of our staging, this is completely modular, with the ability to simply slot the rails in wherever you like on the stage. Another design feature that you can implement to our modular flat staging is the steps leading up to the stage. Again, this helps with the access both on and off the stage, especially in comparison to alternative staging systems such as drama blocks. So whatever type of flat staging you're looking for, our Unistage modular stages are fully customizable and perfect for your needs. Feel free to get in touch with us today if you're interested in finding out more about our flat staging, and our helpful team will get back to you as soon as we can.